Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about my favorite product from last year's. I know it's a little bit late right now, but yeah, it is what it is. So just before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also don't forget to put the thumbs up button if you like this type of video. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So you're gonna hear my both kids because they are with me right now. So yeah, if they scream, it's my life. My kids screams all the time. So last year I don't have a lot of favorite product because I gave birth to my son, so I didn't put a lot of makeup on my face, but I have few I want to show you. So my first favorite product is the No PoreBlem primer, and this primer it's so good and so cheap for a Sephora product. So yeah, it's like 20 bucks and it's a glass bottle with a pump, so I freaking love this. So it's not too silicone for pore filling primer, and yeah, I love this so much. After that, for foundation, so this is my favorite makeup product from last year, like all category, and this is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir foundation. This stuff, it's just so freaking good. This is my favorite foundation of all time, like drugstore, high-end, everything. This, perfection. So this go well right now with my dry skin, because right now I have dry patch, and this go well also in the summertime with my more greasy skin. So yeah, I freaking love this, and just grab one and see for yourself. It's my favorite foundation of all time. Also, this powder just is one of the best. The Maybelline Fit Me, right now I have one in 10 Fair Light, and I freaking love this one. It's just perfection. They are not too cakey under the skin, under the eyes, I want to say. So yeah, I just freaking love this, and this is so cheap. You don't need the Laura Mercier one when you have this. I forgot this for primer. This is the Strobe Cream. I discovered this in the last few months, and I freaking love this to put this under my foundation, but not all over my face. I prefer to put this on my eye points on my face, so my cheeks, and a little bit on my forehead. I put this a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And yeah, it's so good, and it's giving like a super glowy skin. For my highlights and contour, I love these stuff so much. This is the L.A Girl Pro Concealer, and I love to use this under my eyes, and I freaking love to bronze with this. So this one is in the shade Medium Bisque, and my concealer shade is in the shade Porcelain. For contour, this is so freaking good. I almost cream contour every day with this because it's so super easy, like you've seen in my last video. For my brows, this three stuff save my brows so much lately. So the first one is the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. Mine is in the shade Dark Brunette, and this shade is so beautiful. So yeah, I love this stuff. So you have your pencil in one side and the spoolie on the other. After that, on the same range, it's the Brow Stylist Plumper Gel. So mine is in medium to dark. So I love this gel too. It's pigmented, and my brows stay flat all day. And what I love to use lately, it's a highlight pencil just under my brows. Mine is the Chella Ivory Lace Highlight, but you can find this type of pencil everywhere, like Anastasia have one, so you can find it everywhere. Oh, you can put also concealer under your brows, but I love the pencil shade because you just have to draw that under your brows. And I blend with this type of brush, so I just put my brush down and blend everything. So yeah, I love these two stuff for my brows, and it gave my super glam brows, and I love that. For eyes, This year I discovered this L.A Girl Pencil. I only have these two, but I need all of them because they are super creamy. They are not tugging the under eye and they stay there all day. So I freaking love them. I need more of these range. So much. So in the last month of 2018, I discovered this liquid liner by CoverGirl, and this stuff is just so good. I know that it's not a long time to put this in my favorite of 2018, but my wing liner never been so easy to do. So I think this is gonna be so great for 2019. So yeah, so this is just a liquid liner, but I don't know why, but my wing liner, it's just so easy to put on when I have this. So yeah, I freaking love this. My liquid liner before take at least 10 minutes to do, and with this like 2 minutes and I'm on the go. So I love this so much. Also, I know this is not a last year thing, and I know that I didn't bought this last year, but this year I used the crap of it, and it's the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and it's used up a lot. I don't know if you can see, but my palette is really messed up right now, and it's what I have right now on my eyes, and I love this palette so much. So everywhere I go I take this palette. I know it's a little bit big for travel, but I didn't care because it have all you want in this palette. So if you love warmer tone, but you can do a smoky eye, something super simple. You can do everything with that. I freaking love this palette. And my two last product are for lips. My first one, it's the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte in the shade 101, and this, it's what I have right now on my lips, and I love how comfortable they are on the lips. They are not too drying, but they are not transfer proof. I love this liquid lipstick. My favorite gloss of all time, and it's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Universal, and this is just, I love that so much. First, this smells so good, and this gloss is just, it gave you like injection lips just after you put this on your lips. I look like I had 10 times much bigger lips right now, and it's not too sticky also, because I hate when gloss are super sticky and your lips not. I have a little boys right now. So yeah, this gloss is just everything because it gave all you want in your lips, and I love how it's feel on the lips also, because I freaking hate when you can feel the gloss on your lips, like a sticky stuff on your lips, but this stuff is just the perfect thing. So yeah, so that concludes everything that I love in 2018. Just leave me down below what you love in 2018. What's your favorite product? So I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.